You know, porno?
Yes.
Me and Maureen.
Call me Zach and Mary.
What?
Say hi to my YouTube channel.
What's up, YouTube channel? I'm Mel. Welcome. This is my new camera.
Why isn't it focusing? Okay, now.
We're filming this for scientific research.
Scientific research.
Can you do the counting for that actually? For visions I vandalized? Because I feel like... Because you did something yesterday or the other day to kind of count it in.
You could actually do that, so like, in the Wait Till the World Is Mine, Wait Till the World Is Mine, you could do like the hi-hat count in.
Like a hi-hat count. So that way we're all coming. You should see me in a crowd. I'm gonna run this nothing town. One up and down, one night, one night, one night, one night. In a crowd. This is my favorite sound. Watch me making my one night, one night, one night, one night, one.
That's the drum break.
Oh fuck. I'm gonna run this nothing time. What did we mess up in that one?
Right after the bridge.
The come out of the after she sings kind of threw me off a little bit. I was like, wait a second. I was like, oh shit. Timing. One more time. All right.
So we just pulled up at Vern's, waiting on the guys to get here, and someone's got the giggles for some reason.
Yeah.
Every time I pull out a camera, she just starts laughing. So there's that. See? It's a thing that happens. I don't know why.
I don't know why.
But I have the back full of gear that I've never used live before. I've got a couple keyboards back there, some other random stuff, so we're gonna get loaded in here as soon as the guys get here, and then we're gonna go inside, I guess.
Oh,
Kristen just said, I didn't get to say anything.
I laughed.
So what would you like to say?
I didn't have anything to say. I just was like...
Then why did you complain about it?
Because I was just creepily in the background giggling, so I guess I had to make something. I just wanted to say hi since I didn't say anything.
Okay.
So bye.
Well, we'll see you inside, I guess.
Yeah, see ya.
Do we need the other PA speaker?
Probably.
Oh, really?
Never hurts to have more. Getting all that sweat.
Pull tight. I mean, if you take a look for shit, this is here, I got one ready to go. Look at that.
Are you like zooming at me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I like to see the panic ensue when I zoom in on someone's face. They just like freak out.
Existential dread.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
That didn't sound very promising.
Yeah.
We just got done sound checking. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. It's been a roller coaster of a day,
It has been.
but I think we're gonna be all right.
How are you feeling?
Some say I'm only worth $1, but I feel like a penny.
Yay! Self-love.
See me in a crowd. I'm gonna start so again. Gonna make them go one night, one night, one night, one night.
Nothing exploded on me. What? All right, one more time, give it up for the Waterfall.
We just finished our show at Burns. It was awesome. I can't wait for this to come out. It was recorded for something called Soundboard Sessions. It was the first one they ever did. It's kind of like an MTV Unplugged meets Tiny Desk. No one made any crucial mistakes, so that was good. And we had a bunch of friends come out. It was awesome. So yeah, Rotten Mouth is playing now. They're awesome. And yeah, it was a great night. And I'm gonna go home and eat probably some cheese curds, which is a great thing to eat before you go to bed. But that just sounds really good. Kristen's filming right now and she made a face.
We're also gonna just get these beautiful lights.
Oh yeah, the lights are cool.
Let's take a gander here at these lovely street lights. Beautiful little lights they have going on here. I love it. So,
did you have fun?
oh hey, yeah.
Did we sound okay?
Yeah, you guys sounded awesome. It's sounded really good and ominous and eerie and creepy, and I loved it. 'Cause
Yeah.
anything creepy is right up my alley. So
It was fun. I don't know if we're ever gonna do anything like it again, but
I think you guys should. I think it was something fun,
You liked
something
it?
different.
maybe we will. I don't know.
I really liked it. I liked the keyboard. I liked the cool like synthy sounds, and
I always like doing different stuff musically, so it was a good time. I had fun.
I thought it sounded awesome. So
I like doing the Billie Eilish cover. That was actually my favorite thing to do.
yeah,
Was that your favorite?
I liked it. It sounded great. It was really, really cool.
Yeah.
So
It was fun.
definitely something I think you guys should try
But-
again somewhere. So
We gotta pack up and go home.
and
And
eat, because
eat some
that
cheese
is
curds.
something I'm so excited to do. I'm not eating cheese curds.